Trump news: Trump judge sides with Florida over Biden administration's border policy dispute. In a case against the Biden administration, Florida Attorney General Ashley Moody was granted a victory by a court chosen by Donald Trump. U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Florida Judge T. Kent Wetherill upheld the validity of Florida's appeal to federal parole laws on Tuesday. Trump nominated Wetherill in May of 2018, and the Senate confirmed him in July of this year. In January, Moody joined 26 other Republican state attorneys general in a letter they wrote to Alejandro Mayorkas, Secretary of DHS, urging him and the Biden administration to stay out of the way of the continuing fight over the southern border. The decision by the U.S. Supreme Court allowed federal officials to remove the concertina wire that Texas Governor Greg Abbott had ordered placed along the border, prompting the sending of the letter. The federal government has allegedly released thousands of illegal immigrants who would not be in the United States under the present policies, according to her complaint, which she filed on behalf of the state of Florida. We are thrilled that the court, yet again, found that Biden's illegal practices are harming the state of Florida. We look forward to defending our victory in the appeal court, Moody's press secretary Chase Sizemore told Newsweek via email on Wednesday. The rules at issue do not involve arrest or persecution but rather explain how DHS will apply its statutory parole authority under U.S. criminal code with respect to aliens who are already in DHS custody after arriving at the southwest border. The court brief argues there would probably be hundreds of thousands more aliens in the nation on parole, but not in any type of immigration procedures, it says, adding that this would happen if the laws weren't already in place. Additionally, it claimed that thousands more individuals on parole, but not in any type of immigration proceedings, and thousands more who would have been utterly unaccounted for, which would have further aggravated the injury to Florida. In an effort to stop a mass release of migrants into the United States, Moody filed a lawsuit last year against the Biden administration, which she has been litigating ever since she became president in 2021. Amid the growing problem of illegal immigration in states like Florida and Texas, Abbott announced on Friday the beginning of construction on an 80-acre military base camp. The camp will initially house 1,800 soldiers and eventually house up to 2,300 soldiers, all with the mission of combating illegal immigration along the Rio Grande. The United States-Israel route will be back in service in March, according to United Airlines, after the terror incident and subsequent conflict in Gaza on October 7. United was the first major U.S. airline to restart flights to Israel. United has announced that on March 2nd and 4th, there will be connecting flights from New York and Newark. The intention is to start daily non-stop flights on March 6th. In reaching this decision, United undertook a comprehensive safety investigation, which involved close collaboration with security specialists and U.S. and Israeli government officials. The airline made a statement saying that they collaborated with two groups to establish safety measures and make sure that flight attendants are well informed.